Hi. So one ticket for the rowing boat, please.
Yes. How many people?
Just one, please.
One people, one boat, 270.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you. 230.
230. Thank you. How long does it take?
1.5 hours.
1.5 hours? Okay.
This is the receipt.
Okay.
Ticket for you and ticket for both.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay. Bye.
Have a good trip.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ticket for the boat.
I'll take it for the boat. Okay. Hi. That's for you. Okay. I'm on. Okay, so I'm on the Tam Coc rowing boat ride, and I have a private boat. As it's the COVID-19 situation here, Tam Coc is very, very dead. Very disappointing, very sad for the people here. But as you can see, still smiley, friendly people there. Hi. How is that for rowing a boat? That is fantastic, huh? I don't think I've got the technique there for that. Hello.
Bye, book picture. Okay.
Hello. Ăn xong rồi. Come. Okay, so if you've watched the Hang Mua video, hopefully you have, the link is in the description below. You can see just up here, that is where I was, where you can see the dragon up there as well, just up there. So that's where I was looking down to where I am now. Absolutely stunning views from up there. And now I'm looking up. Guy looks like he's going fishing.
Có cá đâu đồng không?
Nhiều có là có, không cần nói nhiều. Nhiều hay không, có là có.
Giỏi nhỉ. Mùa này là đánh bắt lơ được đấy.
And we're just gonna go around this bend, and I believe we're going in through a cave. Look at the scenery around here, it's just fantastic. when you get a chance to come to Vietnam, do come and see us. Do let us know, and we'll get you on a good Tam Coc rowing boat ride, plus the Hang Mua cave and panoramic view, and also Hoa Lu Ancient Temple. Although you can take that out if you take a private trip, and you can do more cycling around the area, which I would recommend. The water levels are not so high today as I was in Chang An. If you want to see the Chang An boat ride, do check it out. So that was just the halfway point where they turn around. Usually they have women in boats selling drinks and food and snacks and things like that, but obviously with very little people here because of the pandemic, then there's not so many. I've seen one or two on the way, but nowhere near as many as there usually are. So hopefully enjoying the ride. We're going to go and head back to the harbour now. Hi, hi. Quite a few people on now. I think I was just a bit early.
Mua cái đò này nhá, anh ơi, mua cái thuyền này không?
Không cảm ơn. Bao nhiêu tiền?
20.000.
20.000? Oh, okay. 20.000. Why not?
Sao vai bamboo?
Trời ơi.
Trời ơi.
Không biết.
Không biết tiền, không nhớ tiền để đâu.
20.000.
20.000.
Okay.
Về cho vào gì đó.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Có xe mai nữa. Okay, so I bought a little bamboo boat. 20,000. God knows how much it's worth, but there we go. Nice little cute thing. I can't give that to my son because he'll absolutely destroy it, so that's for me. My little ornament for my Ninh Binh series trip. Okay, nice. Okay, we're on our way back now, back to the harbour. Thank you for the ride. Gave a little tip as well.
Hôm nay mấy bà ngồi ở đâu chị? Mấy bà ngồi, tụi anh ta ngồi ở gốc cây kìa.
I think these are all new houses, new apartments or something. They look really nice, outlook onto the lake and everything. But they've been here, or been building them for years, I think. Certainly for the last few years I've been coming here. So I don't know. I wonder how much one of them costs. Not cheap, I would say. I like the wagon wheels on the side. Really cool. And we're coming back to the harbour now. You see a lot of boats all sat empty. Normally the boats are every 20 metres there's a boat riding through the canals towards the caves. But as you can see around here, loads and loads of boats. Over there, hundreds of boats. All down there as well. Sign of the times, I'm afraid, pandemic and everything. So that was the Tam Coc riverboat ride through the caves. That's the day trip that's including Hoa Lu Temple, the Tam Coc riverboat ride, and also a trip up the Hang Mua panoramic views. So if you wanted to do that trip, definitely contact us. At the moment they're only private trips, but there will be group trips back when the pandemic's all over and done and dusted. So hope you enjoy the ride. Here I am getting back. We'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.